Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable mobile view for websites on Google Chrome in Windows. This is super useful when you want to see how a website looks on different mobile devices without actually pulling out your phone. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your Windows computer. Once Chrome is running, navigate to the website you want to view in mobile format, simply type the URL into the address bar or click on a bookmark if you have one saved. This could be any website you're working on, designing, or just want to see how it appears on mobile devices. Once your website has loaded, the next step is to access Chrome's developer tools. To do this, right-click anywhere on the web page. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on the option labeled Inspect. This is the key to unlocking Chrome's powerful developer features that allow you to view and test websites in different formats. After clicking Inspect, you'll notice that the Developer Tools panel appears on the right side of your browser window. This panel contains various tabs and settings that developers use for testing and debugging websites. Don't worry if it looks a bit technical at first. We're only going to focus on one specific feature that makes viewing mobile layouts incredibly simple. Now, direct your attention to the top section of the Inspect panel. You'll see several icons and buttons there. Look for the device icon, which typically looks like a smartphone and tablet overlapping or positioned side by side. Click on this device icon to toggle the mobile view mode. As soon as you click it, your website will instantly transform to display how it would appear on a mobile device, giving you a realistic preview of the mobile browsing experience. With mobile view now enabled, you'll notice at the top of your website display there's a drop-down menu labeled Dimensions. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of different mobile devices you can simulate. This list includes popular smartphones and tablets with their specific screen sizes and resolutions. For example, you can select iPhone 14 Pro Max from the list and your website will immediately adjust to show exactly how it would look on that particular device. This feature is incredibly helpful for testing responsive design and ensuring your website looks great across different screen sizes. And that's it, you've successfully enabled mobile view in Google Chrome and can now preview your website on various mobile devices without leaving your desktop. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.